Hello, friends. In the fast evolving landscape of account, finance, and corporate governance, tracking statutory deadlines should not take up your productive business hours. Managing statutory deadlines effectively is a backbone of robust corporate governance. In today's video, we are walking you through three different versions of compliance calendar for the month of June 2026 available on our website. Section 1. Visit our website www.abshandassociate.com and scroll down. You will see this section June 2026. It lists all the compliances due in the month of June 2026. This top listing highlighted in red, our system automatically flags off the compliances due within next 7 days, such as your monthly TDS payment or your ECB filing, ensuring that important compliance never slips through the crack. For finance and compliance team who prefer highly structured and operational deep dive, we offer cloud-based spreadsheet utility. On our website, just scroll up and see this section, Compliance Calendar for June 2026 spreadsheet. Click on the link. This will open up a new tab, a spreadsheet view. This features a clean layout detailing exactly the compliance date, day of the week, compliance under an applicable form. It also highlights the compliance due within next 7 days automatically for your immediate attention. We don't just list the data, we contextualize it. If you scroll at the bottom of the calendar, the tracker generates interesting insights and actionable statistics for the month. For instances, out of 40 compliances due, it automatically maps out your workload for the week, showing a peak of 13 compliances on Tuesday. While categorizing the risk, it shows more of your focus would be on income tax and GST. Finally, for business heads and executive demanding a premium user experience, we have integrated this rich interactive compliance dashboard on our website. This will open up a new tab. This is the interactive compliance dashboard for the month of June 2026, designed with a friendly and intuitive interface. This application gives you complete control over your reporting data. Use a quick filter panel on the right hand side to seamlessly navigate your reporting obligations. You can drill down the data by specific frequency, be it monthly, quarterly, or annually. You can also use to sort the data by specific act, Income Tax Act, GST, Companies Act, or even you can filter the data by specific weekdays so as to effectively manage your team's weekly workflow. At ABSH and Associate, we believe that compliance management should be simple, visual, and ahead of time. Visit our website and access this free tool and bring a structural changes to your corporate ecosystem. Note that these are updated on a monthly basis. Thank you for watching.